Are you filming?
No, I'm not going to be funny anymore. Hey. Oh, we do have clothes.
Oh.
So, I'm not good at this. We're making pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. So, let's get started. Do you think you should be silent or should you be talking? I think talking.
Just kind of see like what goes,
yeah, what happens
what
naturally.
flows, what shh. Yep. Right.
It's a technical term.
This is it for the pumpkin pie.
My sous chef. All right, let's get started. Oh, heavy cream. We do have heavy cream because I bought it. Heavy cream. I got the organic option. Well, the as close to organic. The Publix version of organic. I don't know how close that is. Hi everyone. Welcome to my cooking. She can put the cat in the pie.
Oh, it's a nice green.
Yeah, we have a theme. I'm probably missed the part when we get flour out. No, because we're not making our own pie crust, so I don't need flour. We are not making our own pie crust today because I don't want to. What's that? No, I'm making it from scratch. Anyways.
Thank you.
I bought one.
Good, that's really much.
Got ourselves a nice Guatemalan, all those words, coffee beans
Come, look.
from away.
Come from. Isn't there a lot of stomping in that show? All right,
You
so we're
saw
gonna
that show.
We're gonna come to the oven, click bake, because I think that's what we're doing here. We're gonna go up to a nice 375. Yeah. We keep the aggressive 375 for Christmas.
Pardon me.
Alright. Can opener.
So what we do here is you pour like a dash of like the hot water on the grounds, and then you just let it like sit for 30 seconds. It's called blooming. It gets like the flavor going. It gets. I don't really know why. Actually, this is just what we do.
Science.
Bye, y'all.
Drive safe.
Okay. Gonna be good?
That doesn't know what you think.
Oh, yes, she loves pumpkin.
Does she?
Yes, I used to give it to her when she was a baby kitten.
Why?
I remember that. Oh yeah, didn't you make your own cat food for like a minute? Like,
You know how some people make their own baby food? We got canned. But the cats,
Bye, Mom.
they, we're gonna put this over here and be like recycling, and then pretend like we recycled. Pumpkin, 3 eggs.
say pumpkin 3 eggs.
Ooh.
That's like
Is
pumpkin
that already
first, 3
cracked, or
eggs.
Oh, okay.
Is that already cracked, or did I do that?
No, you did
You
that.
literally just cracked it.
I don't think I did
I
actually.
think
Let me
you
put that
did.
one back.
Okay.
That's cracking. You gotta hear the sound. I like to get my shoulders into it. Alright, here we go. Oh, alright. Oh, goodness. Alright. Oh. I don't know why I thought you would be following me. I can't see. Brown sugar. Also probably older than I am.
Oh.
1 1/4 cup.
I don't think we
1
even
cup?
have a quarter cup, actually. I always just do half of a half.
Hey, Dad.
Because cooking is an exact science. Half of a half it is. Sorry. I'm
Don't
sorry.
put it back.
What?
It's on the floor.
That part out. Oh yeah, this is a part when we actually like talk about baking. You know, health. Whisk. Yeah, let's do it. Let's whisk. Look at all that color. Man, I wish you could smell this. I'll tell you what it smells like. Heaven. We should have music playing. Nathanael, sing us that song you know.
I don't know any songs. I've never sung before in my life.
So this is starting to look really good, this whisking situation. We got a nice burnty brownie orange. Just aesthetics, people like that. Add cornstarch, salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, pepper, cream, and milk. Vigorously whisk. Can't wait till we get there. Ooh, filling will be a little thick. We can edit that out. That sounded weird. I didn't really mean for that. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Happy holidays, everyone. That's right.
If you want to guess which of us is single right now.
Who's attending the holidays alone again? The one talking to herself. All right. Tablespoon cornstarch. Now, cooking is something that's supposed to be exact and not guessed. Most of the time I guess and everything tastes good anyways, but for the purposes of this video, we're gonna be a little more exact. Starting to look like Breaking Bad over here. I should be remembering salt. I don't know what umbrellas and salt have to do with each other. Actually, have you ever thought about her before? I actually haven't until this moment. Are there vampires after her? Like, why is she like, girl is superstitious as... Can we bleep things out later? I say what I want. Okay. Do you guys hear the oven whirring, or is that just me?
I think it's working.
Wow. Okay. Really. Same thing, but with cinnamon. I really like cinnamon, so I'm not gonna measure this out. I'm gonna go a little extra. So I'm just gonna shake it. Like, can you get that when you just kind of like shake it to get the extra off? And so we got just a little bit over the top because, like I said, cinnamon's good. Same situation with ground ginger. We don't have ginger, so we're gonna jump to the nutmeg. 1/4 teaspoon. Don't have a 1/4 cup, but we got a 1/4 teaspoon. Look how cute it is. Mazel tov. Cloves, these are whole. I don't. I'm still really curious about this pepper situation, but we're gonna go balls deep on this and just see what happens. Cream and milk. I think that's pretty much. Did I use everything? 1 cup heavy cream. How much is this? A pint. So that's more than a cup. Oh, I actually the 1 cup is already out. Clean and everything. How nice that looks. Now, carefully, you gotta be real steady to cook, You gotta, like, care. I don't think you would have to care, you just have to be careful. You wouldn't want to make a mess. Alright, next comes the milk proper. Oven's preheated. Let's go. 1/4 cup milk. Half of a half. Just get that sugar out of there. My hands are clean. Half a cup of milk. Oh, I never actually put the pepper in. I really don't. Should have been focusing more. Nathanael, do you mind getting the pie crust out of the fridge? I don't know if it's supposed to be at like room temperature or anything. Top left. Precariously. Yeah.
2 pie crusts.
Unroll.
Unroll, fill, and bake.
The old unroll.
So what we got here is some classic homemade Pillsbury pie crusts in a cardboard box.
Hey, you know what? It's America's number 1%. What?
Number 1%.
No, that was on purpose. I was trying to
Grain crusts to room temperature.
You knew it.
Or microwave. Oh, you can microwave this.
We don't need both.
Switch.
Okay. So,
Switch. I got beaten as a child.
Dark. And false. Ooh, roll out the chilled. Oh, now this says, oh, well, this says chilled pie crust, but that's assuming you made it on your own.
We're just gonna do it.
All right, I'm trying to vigorously whisk here. Is this like, does this look right? It seems really soupy.
Super soupy. Probably that.
No, it's probably the lack of pepper. I should fix that. Hey, can I have your hat for this? I feel like I should have been wearing that this whole time. Cut to him for a minute. Nah!
So we're just here gonna unroll this here pie crust that we made ourselves and put in this cardboard box. Yeah. Ooh, that's.
And she's back. Who should we consult? Oh my gosh. Ooh, crimp the edges with fingers if desired. Oh, I'm not reading the recipe anymore. Just kidding. That's the recipe. That's the recipe. I'm sorry. Oh. What?
Hold on.
No, let's use, words. Coconut oil. Please.
Do we have coconut oil? Organic spectrum coconut oil? I don't know what to do with this pie crust. Thank you. Do you just like stick your fingers in? Like your fingies and like spread it? Or?
Have you washed your hands? So it'll be fine. I honestly can't find anywhere where it kind of just says carefully place it into a pie dish. Maybe it's buttery enough on its own. I'm supposed
Exit coconut oil.
I'm supposed to be vigorously whisking. If you could wash your hands and then take it over this. Did you wash your hands?
I did. Did you?
Did we get him washing his hands? I think we need to do a oh, okay. No, Nathaniel. No, but like actually seriously.
Yeah.
It's not even centered. I'll do that. That's not my recipe. I think we egg this a little bit, right? Hey, should we do that thing with the fork? Do you think that was me tucking it in with my fingers to make sure it's smooth? Okay.
Hold on. Goodness gracious.
It's gonna go straight. I think the egg wash mixture is just an egg.
Like sans yolk.
Yeah, I can sans the yolk.
Do we have a brush?
One that's not that one, because I don't trust that one. Brush. Well, I don't know if I trust this brush either. Drama! Alright. Fork. Let's just make this look real. Nope, that doesn't look good. Luckily, the success of Thanksgiving is not contingent on the goodness of this pie. Oh man, okay, that's actually like, whew. Woo, Nelly. I have no idea what's going to happen when we put this baby in the oven, but bake the pie until the center is almost set.
That's
about 55 minutes, give or take. A small part of the center will be wobbly. That's okay. In 25 minutes, we need to cover the crust. How do you do? We'll figure that out later. Check for doneness at minute 50, then 55, then 60, etc. Do the honors. Jesus, take the wheel. Please make sure you're getting the pie and not my butt. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Start. And check back in with you in a while. Welcome back. We have finished our pie. She's a beaut. Little wobbly on the inside. Wobbly, like they said. Note that the edges are not burnt. So, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Okay, super. Well, just like to thank you all for joining us. It's more of a fold than a wrap. Thanks for joining us.